Hello, my name is Dr. Margaret Wierman from the University of Colorado, and I'm very excited to be participating in the EDEC 2023 Congress in February 11th through 13th. Topics that I will cover during the Congress include, first, sex hormone replacement in women across the lifespan. The focus of this talk will be on how do you induce puberty, what are the best hormonal regimens to use in the premenopausal woman and in postmenopausal women. The other topic that I will discuss will be entitled Selection of Oral Contraceptives, What an Endocrinologist Should Know. In this lecture, we will discuss the history of oral contraceptives and the types of estrogens and progestins that have been used historically and currently available, and which regimens are best in each selected patient in your clinic. I'm very excited to be participating this year, and I hope that you will all be attending as delegates. I think it's a great program, and you will learn a lot that will be important for your clinical practice. Again, please join me and the rest of the faculty for the EDEC 2023 meeting, February 11th through the 13th.